morning students, welcome back to online classes. And last class we discussed about last chapter. What is the last chapter? Staffing. What is staffing? What is the definition, recruitment, training, on the job training, off the job training, difference between the training and development we discussed in last class. Means now we are going to discuss about next chapter. Okay, what is that? Directing. Directing means what it is? It is instructions given to the employees. Directing means what it is? Instructions given to the employees. And directing, it is a key manager function. Okay, it is a key manager function. It is one of the key manager functions. Remaining what are the functions? Means functions of management means first function is planning, organizing, controlling, directing, staffing. These are all the functions of management. In that, it is the one of the key manager function. Okay, direction means it is instructions given to the employee is called as a directing. We will see what is the meaning of the directing. Okay, directing means it is a process of instructing, guiding, motivating, counseling, and leading the people in the organization to achieve the objectives. To achieve the organizational objectives is called as a directing. Directing means it is a process of instructing, guiding, motivating, counseling, and leading the peoples in the organization is called as a directing. Directing is one of the key management function. I already told the manager they have to perform this function along with the planning, organizing, controlling, directing. Okay, along with the controlling, they have to perform with for the purpose of while discharging the duties in the organization. Up to while discharging the duties in the organization, they have to perform. Okay, along with this function, they have to perform planning, organizing, staffing, directing, so controlling. They have to perform. These are all planning functions. Okay, and this is the giving the instructions to the employee. Directing means what it is? Giving the instructions to the employee. If the last anyone asks means what you mean by directing means you just tell me. Giving the instructions to the employee is called as a directing. And in full meaning means it is a process of instructing, guiding. Instructions means they will give what work you have to do, what work you should not do. They will tell. Okay, what work you have to do, what work should not do. They will tell here. Means who will tell you? The manager will tell. Who will tell means the manager. The manager will instruct the work to the employees. And guiding. Who will guide? The manager will guide how to do the work effectively, how to do the work efficiently. They will guide. If it is there any doubt in that work means they will only solve and they will only clarity. They will give the clarity about that work. Means they will guide for the purpose of to do the work effectively. And motivating means they motivate, the manager will motivate the employees to do the work effectively. And even they will provide the promotions and rewards for the purpose of to increase the motivation to the employees. when they have interest to do the work, that time they will do work effectively and efficiently. That is the main purpose. The manager will motivate the people. When they will motivate means they will work effectively. Otherwise they will not. That is the main reason here, motivating the people here. And counseling. Yes, it's counseling. If it is there any problem in our organization, if they will counsel. If it is there any wrong in this work, means they will counsel. If it is there any wrong means they will give the solutions. They will correct, and after that they will give the regular instructions. That is the main reason here, directing. Means leading the people in the organizations. Means how they will lead the people means guiding, they will give instructions, motivations, counseling. These are all activities for the purpose of leading the people in the organization to achieve the organizational objectives. And the chairperson or executive, means chief executive, will give the plan. Based on the plan, we are going to direct. Otherwise, we can't. That is the main reason to, based on the objectives, we have to plan to how to direct here. Okay? Directing means it is instructions, guiding and motivating and counseling leading the people here. And one more meaning, it is motivating means or directing means it is a giving the guidelines and motivation to do the work, giving the instructions and motivating to the work is called as a directing. Directing means it is giving the instructions to the employee. Okay, that is directing. We will see what are the characteristics. Now. Directing is a initiative action. Directing is takes place every level of management, and directing is continuous process. And last one is directing is flow from top to bottom, means manager to employees. These are all the features of the directing. We will see one by one here. Okay? Directing is the initiative action. Initiative action means it is first action or begin action. First action or begin action. Begin or first action of the organization. How means if the manager will give the instructions means they will work. Otherwise they will not work. That is the main reason. It is first action in the organization. If they will give the work, they will do. Otherwise, they will not do the work in the organization. And it is the manager they have to guide and they have to motivate the employees for the purpose of to do the work effectively. Means if the organization will give the instructions, means they will work. Otherwise, they will not work. In every organization also like that will happen. And manager will perform along with the already told along with the planning, organizing, directing, controlling. That is the main reason. Directing, they know how to do the direct. Means they know means they will do effectively work here. Okay. And next it is directing. It takes place the every level of the management. Yes, directing it is takes place down and everyone from top level to bottom, means it is top level to bottom, everyone performing this function. Means everyone. Everyone perform this function. Or means the chief executive instruct the work to the manager. The manager will execute the instructions due to the divisional manager. The divisional manager will instruct to the departmental head. The departmental head will be instruct to the supervisor. The supervisor will instruct to the employees. Like that only every level of the management, every level of the department, they will do this function. Means they will perform this function. How means we will see here. Okay. Means chief are first chairman. Okay. And chairman will instruct the work manager. The manager will instruct to the divisional manager. The divisional manager will instruct to the departmental head. Department head. The departmental head will instruct to the supervisor. And supervisor will instruct to the employees. So, in every management, they will perform the directing here. Means every management is chairman. First, chairman will give the instructions to the manager. The manager will instruct the divisional manager. The divisional manager will instruct to the departmental head. The departmental head will be instruct to the supervisor. Thus, finally, the supervisor instruct to the employees. Like that only, it will everyone performing this function. Means instruction means what it is? Direction. Means they will give the direction about. Means directing the people's. Instructions means what it is? Directing. They will do the all the persons. Okay. And it is directing means it is continuous process. Yes, it is continuous process. Directing means it is a continuous process throughout life of the organizations. Means up to end the organization, it is continuous process only. Up to it means throughout the life. Throughout the life of the organization. Means the continuous process means throughout the life. How means here we will see example Bescom and Wipro, Infosys and HAL. These are all companies in managers. These are all companies in managers. The manager can change in the companies, but directing it will not change. Why means directing it is without directing the organization will not there anymore. That is the main reason. Daily they have to instruct, daily they have to tell, daily they have to give the work to the employee. Otherwise, they will not work properly. That is the main reason here. It is continuous process. Means same work, but daily they have to instruct. If they will give the work, they will work. Otherwise, they will not work. Means it is throughout the life. Throughout the life, here directing. With nobody will direct means here it is difficult to run the business. Means without direction, it is difficult to handle the business. Okay, and directing is about the flow. What flow here? Information. What flow here? The information will flow to the top to bottom. Okay. If it is any information, if any information sent chairman persons to the manager will send to the divisional manager, the divisional manager will send to the departmental head, the departmental head will be sent to the supervisor will send to the employees. Like that, the information flow to the top management to the bottom. Okay, the information flow to the top management to the bottom. And these are the features of the directing. Means initiating is begin action. Without direction, we can't run business effectively. That is the main reason here. It is initiative action. And directing is takes place at every level of the management. Everyone performing this function. Which function? Directing function. Means chief executive also performing, manager also performing, and divisional manager also performing. And it is continuous process. Means continuous process means throughout the life. If manager will not instruct means they will not work properly. That is the main reason that daily they have to instruct the work. And flow from the information top management to the bottom. These are all the features of the directing. And we will see next importance of directing. Means if you know features means importance also some you will get. If you know features means automatically you will get importance. You know. Importance of directing. We will see what are the importance of the directing. Means directing. Already know this point. Directing is initiatives. Initiatives, action. Initiative, action, and directing is integrated the employees. Directing is guiding the employees. And next point, directing is facilitate the introduction needed changes in the organization means new technology. They will introduce in the organization. And last point, directing is see importance of directing. We will see here. The every action of the organization begins with the directing only. If they will give the instructions means they will work. Otherwise they will not work. That is the main reason every action of the organizations starts the directing only. Okay? And we will see what are the importance of the directing. Before that, here the manager will he is only instructing the employees, right? Yes, he is only instructing the employees, and he is the main function in India. He is doing the function and is instructing the employees to achieve the organizational objectives. How means here the manager will not tell even first they will tell what should do, when should do, and where should do, and with they will give the instructions. Means first they will tell what should do, when they should do, where they should do. When they where they should do and who should do. Always manager will tell this much only, right? When they should do and where they should do. And where they should do and when they should do and how they should do. Means and they will tell, not only they will not tell, even they will tell the instructions to the employees. Instructions they will tell, and even guidelines and motivation. These are all will tell. Who will tell? The manager will tell here. Means the manager is the main function. It is directing. The manager is the main function. It is directing. First they have to they have to tell when, where, who, and after that they will give the instruction for the purpose of to achieve the organizational objectives and to increase the speed work in the organization and to achieve the cooperation between the employees. Who will cooperate with the employees? The manager will give the cooperations. When manager will cooperate with the employees means automatically the work it is easy. They will do effectively, efficiently. If manager will not cooperate with the employees means it's very difficult. Yes, it is very difficult to handle the employees. If the coordinate with the commitment with the employees and manager means that time they will achieve the organizational objectives. Okay, and we will see here what are the importance of the directive. One by one we will see here. Means it is initiative action. Already you know this, right? Initiative action means it is the first action. First action. First action. Directive means it is instructions given to the employees. It is the first action. Who will do? Means first chairman will give the instructions to the manager. The manager will instruct to the divisional manager. The divisional manager will instruct to the departmental. The departmental will instruct to the supervisor. The supervisor will instruct to the employees. Like that, they will instruct the one level to another level and one subordinate to the immediate subordinate. And manager immediate subordinate who is here? Divisional manager. So like that, they will instruction and every level in this organization, every level they will perform in the directing function. Okay, and directing is integrated in the employees. Integrated means it is push up. Push up means it is increasing, motivating organizational performances. Yes or no? Yes, it is every individual. Who is the individual here? The manager is an individual. The manager efforts contribute to the organizational performances for the purpose of increasing the profit and for the good name. For the purpose of good name and performances. The every manager efforts contribute to where they will contribute in organization, contribute to for the organizational for the purpose of why they are contributing for the purpose of organizational performances. Yes, we will see if the manager have abilities. What abilities is leadership qualities, cooperative and motivation activities, motivation skills and counseling skills. These are all skills is there in the manager. Means the manager will contribute the organization. How they will contribute means they will encourage the employees. The manager will encourage and convince the employees to do the work effectively. When they will do the effectively, that time performance will get good. Otherwise, it will not. When it is performance will get, that time profit will get. When it is profit will get means that time good name for the organization. That is the main reason here. It is contribute the all performance efforts. The manager efforts contribute the organization performances. Means what are the efforts here? Leadership qualities, motivation, counselings, and these are all skills management contribute for the purpose of convincing the employees. For the purpose of convincing the employees here. Okay. And next it is guiding the employees. Guiding the employees means here the manager should identify the potentials of the employees. Okay, potential means capabilities. What capabilities is there in our employees? Okay, they will check capabilities. What are the capabilities is there? They will check and they will motivate. They will motivate for the purpose of increasing the more work and speed work and effective work. For the what purpose they are encouraging, motivating to work, do that effectively, efficiently. If they will do efficiently, effectively means that time the organization will get more profit. Otherwise, they will not get. That is the main reason here they are guiding the peoples. Means the manager will first they will identify what are the potentials is there. Potential means what are the capabilities is there. Employees they will identify and they will motivate them to do the work effectively. And directly it is facilitated. Next is anything is facilitated the introduction. Means introduction needed changes in the organization. Needed changes means it is new technology. Needed changes means what it is? New technology adoption. And generally in every organization is there tendency and resistance of the employees. Resistance means what it is? Politics. In every organization politics is there. Means politics means employees, rumors creating, groupisms, politics they are creating. If they don't have interest means they will not work. Like that activities is there in every organization. Who will correct this all mistakes means the manager. If the good manager, good leadership manager, if it is there in that organization means they will reduce the resistance. Resistance means politics. Okay, politics and means groupisms. They will reduce here. Okay, when it is reduced the politics and groupisms, that time motivate and coordinate with the people means that time the employees will work effectively. Means encouraging. When the employees will work effectively, that time we will get the profit. Example, the manager to do the changes in the accounting staff, means modern technology they adapting in the accounting department. Okay, but in accounting department the employees they are not ready to take that new technology in our organizations. So that time the manager will explain what is the technology, how to use the technologies, and they will convince, and even they will offer the rewards also. If you will do work effectively, that time you will get more profit and rewards. Otherwise you will not get. Means like that only they will convince, they will motivate. When they will motivate, they will work do effectively. When they will do work effectively, that time even get speed work. Even they will get speed work means automatically the production will increase. The production will increases means what we will get means sale will increase. Sale will increase means marketing will increase. Marketing will increase means the profit will increase automatically. And last point is effective directing helps the bringing the stability and balance in the organization. See here, effective directing. Who will effective directing here? The manager. The manager will effectively direct the employees. Means which is help to stability of the employees and balance in the organization. If the manager have cooperation with the employees, coordination with the employees, means that time automatically we will achieve the stability and balancing of the organizations. Means the manager will motivate and coordinate. They will motivate and coordinate with the people. Means they will convince. If it is there any much work, more work is there in our organization, they will convince to do the work. That time they will convince, and that time we will get stability and balancing in the organization. I think all of you understand. These are all points. Means first action means integrated means it is manager efforts contribute the organization performance for the purpose of to achieve the organization objectives. And it is guiding the employees. Already you know about this. Who will guide here? The manager will guide for the purpose of to achieve the organization objectives. And directing it is facilitating the introduction is new technology adoptions. Okay, employees will oppose, but the manager will convince. Okay, employees they will always oppose for new technology. Why? Means they don't know how to do the work. Means he will give the training and he will convince. Okay, and effective directing it helps to the bringing the stability. Means when it is there coordination between the employees and managers, that time automatically we will get the stability, and even we will get the balance in the organization. These are all the importance of the directing. Okay, are you understood this importance? Okay, we will see next class what are the elements of the directing. Means under the supervision communications,